Yeah, people, welcome back. You know, Penkus spear fishing. Yeah, man, I know it's another episode, you know. So we don't want to keep it dry. So, check out that one here. One here, some fry fish. You know, some sea. Them the doctor. That one ugly one there, see me. Price the gopher. Yeah, man. Also, we have one bonita. See me? The one here I got jerk. So the one here I got epic. So stay tuned. I get the fish them scale up. Get the bonita slice up. And you know the one here I got bam.
Want to make a like, share, leave a comment. Thank you to always watching the video. Thank each and everyone for the lovely support. Stay tuned while Rick having the fish them scale, then get them clean up. Then I'm gonna have them season up. Then I'm gonna go straight to the frying pot. So stay tuned for all of that.
Yeah, get the fish them scale off and good. Yeah, man, we're soon ready for season up. So me I gotta do now, get the bonita slice up.
Want to go and stay tuned until Rick get the bonita slice up the right and properly way. Fish them already clean up already, but anyway my people, you know whenever we're cleaning out the inside of the fish that we cannot show that on YouTube. Zine, so the fish them already scale inside of them clean out right and properly way. Yeah my people, you know one here? Who know him? Poison group of name, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, peeps. Yeah. So I go on here, get the bonita as well, slice up, you see it? Yeah, man. As I tell you, say, bonita, I go roast. I go fry. Yeah man, some nice doctor. Watch out one.
Grow.
Is a grouper.
That body.
Sweet, you know.
Wow.
Yeah man. Look a wrench man. Yeah man, they go epic man. So what we are gonna do now, cut up the seeds them for blend up. Get we fish them season up and ram up some of the blend up season and get in it here.
Alright my peeps. Rick will go and get the coal light up. The moment the coal light up, fish are gonna start season up in my peeps. Yeah. After the fish them season up the right and proper way, what we're gonna do? We're gonna blend all of the like the scallion, the thyme, the onion and all of them something. We're gonna blend it together in the blender. Then we're gonna get the fish them marinate the right and properly way, you know my people. And you just stay tuned, see? This go more than epic. Oh God, stay tuned.
One brand new.
Alright. Big respect to all of my supporters them. The people them from all over. You see me? Big up on yourself. Appreciate all you people who give me the strength by subscribe, like the video, leave a comment and share. Appreciate. See my people? One love in a man.
Them I see them we are gonna blend up. No, we have a garlic. Can't cook without the garlic, you know. Yeah man. I have onion, scallion and thyme. Yeah man. I love cook with my garlic, you see me?
That's the garlics getting sliced up also, one by one.
Pepper.
That's the Jamaican yardman pepper. No matter where you go or where you're from, you will never get the real hot pepper like in Jamaica. So the blender will be doing his work in just a minute. Stay tuned for all of that.
So we now have the pimento seed.
That's the magic, the pimento seed.
All purpose, you know. Maggi all purpose.
That's also the magic also.
Cooking oil. Yeah. Season up time. And this is the Maggi fish season. Look a black pepper. All purpose. man, that are the easy spice fish season destroy. Man, get roast as them.
Alright, my people, want to stay tuned while Rick getting the fish them season up the right and proper way. Stay tuned for all
Trying to
of
blend
my
up
people.
season.
Wow. God.
Yeah, man, people.
Get the simmers them season up the right and properly way. Then we're gonna make them stay for at least 3 minutes marinating at the season. Then we have the bonita will be going on the grill to roast, but the simmers will be fried. And we also fry the simmers, have it Escovitch with onion, pepper, a little piece of scallion. Then we're gonna have bread go with it, then we're gonna consume. See my people, so stay tuned for all of that, okay? Make sure you like, share, and leave a comment, alright?
Yeah, peeps, see it there? Yeah, look there. With the blend up season. You know, original season already. That's how it look. So I get the fire ketchup, put on the frying pot, and get down to business. So stay tuned in. Dirty Dutchy. Dash the man and up on the fire.
Yes,
man.
up yourself. You have the time, man.
I watch it get warm.
Yeah, my people, stay tuned. As soon as the dashi get real hot, I got throw some oil in it along with piece of garlic.
So the pot hotter now, so you know what time is it. Yeah man, cooking all the time. And man, so I throw in the oil. You know man, think that. Yes. Tell us we now have 40 garlic.
Yeah man, garlic 40 garlics, you know my people, you know the garlics are part of the medicine, you know.
We now have 40 garlic.
Remember my people, whatever you're cooking, one little piece of garlic, part of the medicine. You know, be honest here. Hey, whatever you cook, and you have the garlic night, the pimento seed in it. Just stop. I beg you, stop please. And you can't, I never left out the ginger. The ginger is also important. Look on this number people. Look at this one.
Pimento seed,
Can't run.
Yeah man.
It's a pimento seed that can't run. Wow. Cola bubble up. Love how the coal look.
Yeah people, so I get it. Wait for it all hot, you know, start throwing the fryers them. Yes man, well fried down on Escovitch after. You know what time is it? Yeah, man, I drop in time, you know. I can't smell the food again.
God. Yeah, my people. Fish them I get the first turn in on my teeth.
Yes.
Wow. Looking good. Looking better. Oh my God. First flip. Yeah man, the first flip them I get, isn't it? Yeah man. Yeah, me people, very lovely. Oh my God, you find that, man?
All the phone them way shell up. Yeah.
Loan consume. Loan consume, my people. Yeah, man. Soon go for the bread. You can see all gone. Them look good still, my people. Remember, my peeps. Remember, nevertheless, one Penkus spear fishing. One Penkus spear fishing. Remember to check me out on YouTube, my people. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Alright, my peeps.
Take out the first look now.
Wow.
Yeah.
Chocolate, you know, my people.
Yeah.
I wish I wanted to look like chocolate brown.
No, joke.
And then look just like chocolate.
Yeah. Yeah, man, people. Yeah, man, not too dry either, you know.
Finger licking.
Yeah. See it there?
It's so amazing.
Yeah, man, first set that.
People don't want
Yeah,
peace.
man, keep tuning
You
in.
can come get season, man. Finger licking.
Yeah, man, drop in this one.
Second step, you know what I mean?
Get the fish them turn up. Golden brown.
Just like a chocolate. Oh my God, yummy. Then the people get a view of the place, my people.
Yeah, guys, so see them there? Done fry now.
Whoa.
Yeah, man. Crystal.
Damn.
Yeah, so what next? See them here? Escovitch. Then, after we escovitch and put them on our fish, see it here? Roast as them. Sweetish thing here. Well marinated and some seasoning. So, I don't know much a clock a strike. But I know pot on fire. I'm going to use some fresh oil what we need. But I remember say have an oil. So with this done fry with.
The oil will burn and the best oil to use back my people.
So, man.
You know, man, the oil I burn before, best oil for use.
Jock chef.
Yeah, man, drop
Yeah.
out thing, man. Yeah, people.
Very exclusive.
Yes, man. Now we get that work. Yeah, people, so Escovitch ready. You know, set up the fish them for put through on the Escovitch on it right away. Yeah, man, so I try go on. Yeah, man, all over. Yeah, man, all over.
Come near me. Yeah, territory, bro. You see me, I tell him to say, look. You see my whole after so? Say my things to come over here. If you come over here, man, you're in a things. Yeah.
That is it,
And then you
people.
say, oh, easy yourself, man. Yeah, move so.
Yeah, man, well, Escovitch done. So you know what's next. Yeah, man. Roast as them. First, we are too long of fire look because we don't want too much heat on our roast as them, you know. So, too long of fire look right now. Yeah. You know what is it? Already get the grill wash off and thing. Yes. You know, waste no time. See me? Well seasoned on my paper. Yeah. Dirty bunita there. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna see it.
Wow. Remember my pizza, remember they told her that before, say we're gonna get them with the blem up season, but we're gonna make the fish them marinate in the season before. So at least they marinate at least more than 20 minutes, you see me? So this is the outcome of the bonita and the poison grouper, and the outcome of it after marinate for more than 20 minutes. So stay tuned for all of this.
You're going to get everything. She can't get half of everything. She can't get everything, half of everything. She entitled to, and that's not like. They might give her a healthy.
Wow, look at that, my people. Very talented guy. Very talented.
Yo, when I go there and see this,
You have everything, every different meaning and every different use.
I must be green.
You are Penkus.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, I can smell all the fragrance, people. Well sweet.
You know, I love about it the most. I smell the ginger, I smell the garlics,
Everything.
and I smell the pimento seed. Oh my God.
Yeah, man, this is blend up water, we still a sprinkle it over it, you know, people.
And that number people, man.
Keep it.
The fragrance alone come out of the blend up water, mix up with all different type of blending season and that number people, the onion,
Everything,
wow,
pepper, everything,
the
pimento
scallion
seed,
and the thyme.
garlic, thyme.
Oh God. Wow.
Stay tuned.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah man, don't forget sound you can link up in a paper. Yeah man,
Wow.
text in the comment section and let me know how go on.
Wow.
Yeah man, you know, can do a look up for style for you people them, you know, cause as I say, I want to have fans link up. But remember, text in the comment, I will link up.
Oh my God. Yeah man. Out now. Nevertheless, none of people just remember in a Penkus spear fishing, alright? Look at the juice. It is so amazing. And you can see the pimento seed. Look at that, my people. Oh God. Wow. And look inside the pies group. You're just looking at beer flesh. Beer flesh. Wow. The fragrance is so amazing. Wow. So juicy. Finger licking.
Yeah guys, so, you know, yeah man, they're ready, you know, cause you know, bunita not take too long.
Alright my people.
See, look yeah. Yes, people. Yes.
Marinate.
Well marinate and I season.
Look about the right and properly way.
Yeah, my people.
Never hurry done.
Yes.
Proper season.
See the people.
Wow.
Yeah, we're gonna run joke. Yeah man. Look for wrench here now.
Pies and group of my people. Most
Dirty
nice.
pies. So I give him a little more time on him belly. Like that. Then we take him off. So everything ready you know. You know, I get them off of the fire you know. Quick and fast. Yeah man. Lovely. Yeah man. That is it.
Wow. Look at that, my lovely people. Looking so amazing, huh?
Yes.
Wow. Fish and Escovitch right over here looking very good.
If you tune in, so
Sliced bread done.
I get some serving share out. I'm gonna see what I go and people. So keep tuning in when I'm done yet.
I get everything short. We're gonna consume some food and I eat ready right now.
Yeah, my peeps, so see it there. Thing ready and thing. Get where I get in it. So you know, I end the video. Yeah, man. So we are gonna go and consume some food. I'll be telling you, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, man. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, man. Tell your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, auntie and cousin, everybody, whole family. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep follow. Yeah,
Thank you guys for your support. Thank you for your turning out. And remember to subscribe to Penkus Spear Fishing. I'm out.